everybody, I'm back out again. It's about 4:30 in the morning and we're about 2 hours from high tide here at St Oysth in Essex. Really still. It's just a very gentle northerly on my back, and I'd like to be fishing somewhere more local in Suffolk, but I'm stuck in this northerly and easterly airflow now for a couple of weeks. So this is a south facing beach, it's nice and sheltered. Small to medium tides this week. High tide is about 6:30, 6:40 this morning. And we're after Thornback Rays again, trying to find another double, which I haven't had for a couple of 3 years now. But yeah, hoping for a good session. Nice conditions, flat calm, really still. A little bit of mist in the air, just starting to get light. So I'm going to get tackled up now and get my first baits out there and hope for a good session. So I'll catch you all in a minute. Right, I'm going to get my first bait out. Freezer bags. I've made up some rigs, 4 or 5 already baited up. There you go, there's a whole squid there. Save a bit of time this morning and get a bait out pretty quickly. So I'm going to hook this one up onto my probably running ledger and get things underway. There we go. Just click that on. And the bait clip up and over the top. And we're all ready to go. Let's get this one out there and hope for a good session. Right, that's the first cast out there. And going to get the second rod made up in a moment. Base camp's all set up. Beautiful still morning. Sun not over the horizon yet. Probably got about half an hour till that happens. And time for a hot drink, I think. And get the other rod set up and a second bait out there. Well, my second bait is out there, and as I was just tightening down to that, I had quite a large drop back bite on the first rod, and the line has gone quite slack. I'm not sure if the fish is on, so I'm just going to keep an eye on it, but I may have to reel in. Right, let's see what's happening. Yeah, there's a bit of weight there, I think. Not sure if it's come to the surface, or we might just have a doggy. I think it might be a dogfish. It is a dogfish. Well, we're off the mark. I didn't think the bite looked quite right for a ray. One doggy to open the account. Well, it's all gone rather quiet after that first bite in the dogfish, but we're about, let's have a look, 40 minutes away from high water, and usually over high and into the ebb here. It's the best time. No more rattles or tugs at the moment, and the sun, as you probably just saw, beginning to come over the horizon. And it's a beautiful spring morning, and it's really nice to be out. Got another bait ready to go should we get a bite, and another one pre-prepared in the bait bag as well, so we're all ready if the action starts. You never know, it might be a one fish session. I hope it isn't. Certainly perfect conditions on a good tide for the old spikies to be about. So we're going to carry on to high water and into the ebb, and let's see what the morning brings. It's 20 minutes before high water, and the right hand rod, the tip has just sprung up and it's almost straight now. It's certainly higher than the tip on the left hand side. I saw it spring back, so something's moved the weight or the bait. Let's see if it goes again. I was going to change this one, so keep an eye on it and see what comes around. Well, whatever that drop back was, it wasn't a fish. Well, if it was a fish, it isn't on. So we're going to get a new bait out and carry on. We're approaching high water, so hopefully things will pick up. Well, that other bait had been well chewed. There's hardly anything left, and here we've got a bit of herring belly and squid wrapped around it. Lots of nice blood and juices coming out. So get that one out there. Plain leads are holding, only small tides. So let's get this one out. Well, we're a good half hour into the ebb and not a lot happening today. So maybe that first cast dogfish might be all we get, but certainly going to give it till 8 o'clock. That'll be 2 hours down, or just over 2. And hope we can pull a ray out. It could be one of those sessions where they're just not here. So never mind, it's still great to be out. A beautiful way to start the day. So I'm going to carry on a while longer, see if I can get lucky. Success at last. A small female, and think we better carry on a bit longer. Right, it's getting close to 2 hours after high water. I've already packed one rod down. Just had that one ray, but that was really pleasing. And you might be able to hear the wind has got up now. A little bit of sea mist and low clouds starting to develop, and the temperature has definitely dropped. So I'm going to get this last rod in and end the session there. That's the last rod in, and sadly no more fish. It's turned quite cold and chilly, and the winter's really got up here now, so it's a good time to pack up. But not a bad session. Achieved the target fish of at least one thornback. Not the double I was after, but there's still some time to go this spring. And I just hope for an improvement in the weather and get rid of these northerly winds. And perhaps we'll be out soon again to have another go for them. So I'll say goodbyes from St Oysth and hope to catch up with you all soon.